Many of you have asked me how I make my YouTube thumbnails. It is just a joke. Nobody has asked me about how I make my thumbnails, but I'm going to teach you how to make a nice YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing you should do is to go onto file, and then you press new. You create a new file. That is Ctrl+N. When you press Ctrl+N, they are going to create a new document. In document, they will ask you about lots of things like recent, saved, photo, print, art and illustrations, web, mobile, film and video. So in this case, we are going to be dealing with film and video. Yes, because we are dealing with videos on YouTube. So after that, you create HDTV 1080p 920 times 1080px at 72 ppi. So after that, you go onto orientation and choose the landscape. There is the portrait and then there is the landscape. You choose landscape. You go onto RGB color 8-bit, then choose white. White is just fine, but you can even choose black for any case or any other color. So you create and then press create. By creating, this is going to automatically create the dimensions of your YouTube thumbnail. So you go and place in this video. I'm going to be creating a thumbnail for my recent video, showing you how you can split a video in CapCut. You can do it by tapping here. So you go onto here and press the layer. Guys, I've talked about layers. You can tap onto this video to see a full video about layers. So you right click and then you say duplicate layer. When you say duplicate layer, most times you go on to duplicate background. It's a background copy, of course. Then there is destination, but this time around we are going to say our destination onto the untitled, because I didn't name our new copy, new document. It is just untitled. Then I say this destination untitled one. Then you say okay. So when you say okay and you go back to our untitled, there is our image. This image I downloaded it from Google somewhere, I don't know. So you get the move tool and then you place it somewhere like here. So when you place it somewhere like here, you can go on and press Ctrl T. Ctrl T. I taught something about the Ctrl T, or transforming the layer, and then you can adjust the size. This is just the main issue about creating the YouTube thumbnail. Is the first step. It is the first step. Ctrl N and creating it. So I can expand it further according to the way I want. I can press it there and then I press tick. I can go on and Ctrl T and then move it, because I'm going to add some little words. Yeah. But if you look at this image, the image I downloaded already has some background. So I can go into normal and then I change my blending options from screen overlay, soft light. I think I'm going to go with the pin light. I think that will work just fine. I can even go on and press the magic eraser tool. So when I've talked about the magic eraser tool in this video here. So I press the magic eraser tool and then I just automatically remove some background that I don't need to make it a pure white. After that, I can go on the background layer and then I press the text tool. The text tool is just here, or you can just press T and then you press the T. My computer is a bit slow, but boom, here we go, and then I create that. So I have the 12 pixels, but this time around I'm going to go for the 60 pixels, and I can even go for the 72. When I go for the 72, remember I'm creating a thumbnail for a YouTube video, how to trim videos, how to split videos in CapCut. So I can go on and type how. So with this, when I highlight it, I can go and change my font here. See, I change my font. I can change my photo accordingly. Let me go with the meandral DD. After that, I can even change this regular. This is sharp. I can go with strong. Yeah, I can even change the color. So when I go into the color picker, I can change my color according to my preference. So I first put something here to get the comb color, and then I go on. I think the blue will work just fine. So I have my blue, and then after that I can go and change the size to maybe 100. Yeah, 100. I think 100 will be a bit bigger and the appropriate size. So I put my cap here, and I got into CapCut, and then I put it there. Then I go into my text and I say rasterize, and then boom, I can merge these two. Then I flatten the image. So after this, I'm good to go. My cover photo is already done. You can check out this video, the one I created this cover photo for, and you will see the results, how it looks popping on my screen. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe for more tricks on video and photography. Good thing you're doing video for your YouTubes, it will be just fine.